Filling up the pipeline. Sales is important, but it's a numbers game. You know, it doesn't matter if you have 10 people in your pipeline and you close every single deal. You want to fill thousands of people in your pipeline and then go after all of them. Because it's a numbers game. No matter how good you are, how much you train, how much you practice and rehearse, it's a numbers game. Fill up that pipeline. That's why it's so important to promote, engage, go after. Be different about it too. You don't want to just get up there, hey, my name's Brandon. You looking for some new landscaping today? Call us. You know, you want to be exciting. And sometimes you want to sound like an idiot. Like Grant does some funny stuff. Who follows Grant on social media? He does some funny stuff. It works. It gets people's attention. In the sales process and in the close, you need to be logical and rational. But when you're promoting, you can be different. You can stand out. You can be funny. You can be weird. You can be excited. You can yell and you can scream. But when you're in the close, you want to shift gears a little bit and start being logical so they can build trust.
You want to watch the one where he got stuck in the elevator with Elena?
Yeah, exactly. Yep. Me and Matt just came from a workshop. It was Richard Dolan's workshop. And what they did, this was a really good demonstration. Kayla was there, Avery was there. It was a great demonstration. And what he did is he had a group of people here on the beach and a group of people here on the beach. And this person was trying to get the attention of the other person. Then they had three groups, right? Group A, Group B, and then Group C were distractors. I don't know if you guys saw on our stories. Some of you guys might. But they were sitting here just waving, trying to distract. That's what the real world is like. There's tons of emails, tons of text messages, tons of email blasts going out every single day. You gotta be loud to get people's attention. You gotta be different to get people's attention. But when you do that, it works. It works. Who can relate? You loud on social media?
No, I'm loud on fake news.
Okay. Yeah, news is fake for sure.
Up signs behind unsuspecting TV cameras.
There you go. It's a good way to promote. Gets attention.
Loud in person.
Loud in person.
Like we go to clubs and things. We have a whole setup.
Let's go.
And we literally, I bought a bullhorn.
Yeah.
Like that increased sales. So like.
Let's go.
The truck, and then we pop open the truck. We got the whole setup in the hats.
Let's go.
Like anyone just walking by, we just start like calling like, hey, what's going on? Check us out.
Yeah.
We'll make a comment towards them that'll be funny and get them to come and check it out.
There you go.
Literally like boost sales like instantly when we start doing it. Because a lot of people like when that noise and that tension and like loud music, people just walking past and our voice can only do so much, but when we got the bullhorn, it was just like.
That's awesome. Money follows noise.
Yeah.
When,
Money follows noise.
When Justin Bieber smashed his Lamborghini a few years ago, you remember that? And,
No shit.
I got a picture of a smashed up Lamborghini, and he was supposed to show up at the courthouse. And so I took a picture of, I got a sign made, Justin Bieber could have killed someone with a smashed up Lamborghini. And I stood up in front of the courthouse in my cowboy hat, and Fox came in, and I put a picture of Justin Bieber's mugshot on it too. And
Ruthless.
And
love it. Gets attention.
Fox picked me up and ABC picked me up. And they put my picture on their websites. 42,000 likes.
Let's go. You're famous.
You are famous.
Famous.
14,000 comments.
Let's go.
In 24 hours.
Yeah. That generate more business?
Yeah.
Perfect.
I put my website address underneath it.
There you go.
On the bottom.
Master marketer, this guy. Follow this guy. It's awesome. It's awesome.